Based on feedback from previous consultations, engagement with our stakeholders, design, development, and new technical data, we're now proposing a number of refinements to the design of the Lower Thames Crossing. We're currently holding a further round of consultation, which means that until 11:59 p.m. on the 12th of August 2020, you'll have the opportunity to view and comment on those latest proposals. Your feedback is vitally important in making sure we get all aspects of design, construction and operation of this scheme right, and your responses will play a fundamental role in firming up our plans for the Lower Thames Crossing. In this video, I want to give you a brief introduction of some of the key design refinements that we're proposing in Kent. Following the feedback you gave us during our supplementary consultation, we've continued to work closely with stakeholders, including utilities companies, to reduce our impact on environmentally sensitive locations. We've now refined the land required for utility diversions in the A2 area that would reduce the impact of our work on Shorn and Ashenbank Woods, Jeskins Community Woodland and around Clay Lane Wood. Because we've refined the design of utility diversions in areas along the route, it means our overall development boundary, which is the land we need to construct the scheme, has reduced in size. This means that the number of properties inside the development boundary has nearly halved. You can see more details on this in our consultation documents online and in our virtual exhibition. If your property is in or near the development boundary, we will have written to you directly, but if you've got any questions, please do get in touch. Around the M2-A2 junction, we further developed our landscaping proposals and made some key refinements to structures over the route. Over the A2, Brewers Road and Thong Lane, green bridges would be slightly realigned to combine green spaces at each location and provide better connectivity for the landscape, ecology and habitats. We're proposing a new electricity switching station at Thong Lane. This would be required to distribute electricity to all new and existing smaller substations along the Lower Thames Crossing route. The position of the Lower Thames Crossing to the south of Thong Lane would also be raised between 2 and 3 metres to improve driver visibility. Thong Lane Green Bridge over the Lower Thames Crossing would also move approximately 20 metres north to avoid clashing with a proposed gantry and allow us to plant more trees, something that was previously restricted by overhead electrical cables. The bridge would also be raised by less than half a metre due to the Lower Thames Crossing carriageway realignment. We're proposing a new informal parking area to the east of Thong Lane. This would help ease the current parking issues along Brewers Road and help increase capacity for those visiting Shorn Woods Country Park. We've also refined and updated our proposals for new walking, cycling and horse riding paths in the vicinity of the Lower Thames Crossing. We've carried out detailed noise assessments and have identified locations along the route where noise barriers could be used to reduce the sound of traffic for local communities. Further details on these proposed locations of the noise barriers can be found in our consultation documents and maps online and in our virtual exhibition. These are just some of the design refinements we're consulting on. To view and comment on all the latest proposals, please visit the Lower Thames Crossing website, explore our online exhibition, and of course follow us on Facebook and Twitter for updates. This consultation is an important opportunity for you to have your say before we submit our development consent order application later on this year. So please do submit a response online, by free post, email, or simply by calling us. Thank you for watching.